Hello, I am Jason Fisk and I'm going to show you today how to make a pen gun. Alright, the things that you will need is some duct tape, just duct tape, or masking tape will work too, a rubber band, and a mechanical pencil that is like a push one like that, and a pen which you get out of one of those BIC pen tubes when you take the little ink cartridge out thing. And the first thing you're going to want to do is grab a pair of scissors and decap your mechanical pencil, and then you're gonna push this down. You're gonna snip this part off right there. You're gonna snip that off. Alright, now you're gonna throw this out. What you want is something just like that. Except, yeah, just like that. Snap off all the junk right here that's probably on there. Then grab your empty pen thing and slide that in there. And that's pretty much going to be the base of your gun that's going to snap and shoot. Alright, and the next thing you are going to do is grab your rubber band, and here, let me get a good angle on this camera first. You are going to take the rubber band and pretty much do this. Just throw it like that around it. Make it straight. Okay, so you want it to look like this. Like this. You got the rubber band and on there. Alright, now grab your duct tape and cut out a piece that is about that much, just quarter inch, half inch. That's about a half inch, and snip it out. So pretty small piece. And now you make sure that you don't get any duct tape on the white part. You only want it to go around the black part. Alright. Once you got that, snip off whatever's left and make sure that you can pull it back and that it'll snap. So that's what you want to do, is snap. Now take this part and release it. So if you pulled the black part out, it looks like that. You put it back in. Now cut out another piece of tape that is about this, and you are going to stretch this out to about that much is good. So you're gonna do that. make sure it's like nice and tight. Nice and tight, and then just wrap your tape near the front, right around it. So it's like that. And you probably are gonna have to get another piece of tape, or maybe not. This looks pretty sturdy. Alright, and then you have a pen gun, and you could pretty much put anything in this hole right here and pull it back and it shoots. I'll demonstrate with okay, how about this thing right here? You just slide it in, pull it back, and it shoots. And it actually kind of hurts, just a little bit. Alright, thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, I have other videos on how to do things that you might like. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.